Hey guys, thanks for coming back. Today we are working on a 15 Crosstrek, and we've been ripping seats out of this thing because it's dirty inside. We're cleaning it, vacuuming it. As you can see, the other side seat has been removed. We got a video on that, how to remove the driver's seat. Passenger seat's similar, so I'll show you guys how to do it. There's four 14 bolts that hold the seat together. There's 2 in the front, 2 in the back. I'm gonna remove the 2 in the front first. You can push this thing back all the way. Two bolts in the front. I'll put them in here. Up. Slide the seat forward. We're gonna go in the back. So the front bolts, they're exposed. You can see them very easily. The rears, you're gonna have to remove these covers. I don't know if you can see or not. There's a little black clip you gotta push. And they pop out. Right here. Push that down. They slide out. Same here. Aha! There he goes. The front seat has 2 black bolts. They're exposed. The rears have these colored ones. Now let's roll this thing back. Slide the seat back and push it. There's going to be wires underneath this thing, and it's got a couple plugs. Got to unplug them, so I don't know if you can see or not. Do my best to get a clip remover. There's a clip down here that needs to be removed. There's one more. There's 3 on this side. And this side's a little easier to come out. You could put the seat back down, and usually if you fold the seat open like this, it slides out a lot easier. Just try not to nick anything. But see how it comes out just smooth. Make sure the door is open all the way so you don't nick the door panels. And there you go. That's how you remove a seat. And again, it's disgusting down here, so whoever owned this car before I got to it was a pig. So I'm gonna vacuum all this out, and then we'll go ahead and put the seats back in.